1 year after the earthquake, ADRA continues to provide assistance in Turkey and Syria.
The images still shock and cause commotion. It has been a year since the devastating earthquake hit the eastern region of Türkiye and the border with Syria, causing widespread destruction and affecting millions of lives on February 6, 2023. In response, the Adventist Development and Relief Agency mobilized emergency teams to provide immediate assistance. These teams focused on distributing shelters, food, and psychosocial support to the most vulnerable, including children, pregnant women, and the elderly, addressing not only immediate physical needs, but also emotional ones. After the initial relief efforts and 12 months of intense operations in the region, ADRA expanded its operations for long-term reconstruction. This included restoring damaged schools, supporting small businesses, and providing assistance to homeless families. These comprehensive actions aim not only to rebuild physical structures, but also to strengthen affected communities, providing hope and continuous support for a better future. Nala, a single mother of 4 children affected by the catastrophe, saw her life change after being welcomed by ADRA and hired to clean the shelter where they were received. Nala's story, one of finding hope and opportunity through ADRA, exemplifies the positive and transformative impact of this ongoing recovery and reconstruction work based on love and social responsibility. Amid the debris still scattered in heaps, ADRA continues to be a beacon of hope and reconstruction for thousands of lives impacted by the tragedy.
As we've seen, the impact of a disaster can last long after the headlines fade. But so too can the power of human compassion and determination. ADRA's ongoing work reminds us that in the face of overwhelming challenges, every act of kindness is a victory.